Am I going?
You're going.
Really? Now?
Yep.
Right now?
Make sure you edit this.
I'm on?
You're on.
Okay. Stihl 361C professional chainsaw. We're going to fire it up and cut us some firewood.
Look how big that log is. We hit the mother lode today.
Ignition on. Chain brake. Don't do this at home. It's called drop starting. Here we go.
That's big enough to fit in our fireplace, the width of that. Now we load it up.
Cool. This is the perfect log because it's up off the ground. You don't have to worry about cutting into the dirt. That's it.
How big is this compared to what we've been getting this year?
This is about 50% bigger diameter. We've cut bigger.
Last year.
Right.